Hello friends, welcome to Stack Developers YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to explain that how you can download the Laravel 10 basic admin panel as well as the basic e-commerce ReactJs app. Okay, so now you can able to download both Laravel 10 as well as the basic e-commerce web app. So I'm going to explain you that how you can do this. You are just required to become the member. Okay, and how you can become the member, you can just open the youtube.com stack developers. Okay, and you can click on join link and can become the member. Okay, once you will become the member, you will give the access of sitemakers.in website. Okay, you will get the access to login. Okay, you can log in from this link, and once you will log in, you will reach to this page sitemakers.in. You can click on download, and here you can see both are available. Download basic admin panel in Laravel 10, that is that will work for all Laravel website. Okay, and you can also able to download the complete basic e-commerce ReactJs app. Okay, this one you can also able to download. Okay, so I will give you the brief overview of both the things. Okay, so this is the Laravel 10 admin panel that is built with the admin LTE best admin panel template so far, okay, in the market, especially for the Laravel developers. Okay, so you can see there are almost around I'm going to see that are around 32 33 videos, and you will get the source code of all those videos. I will give you the brief overview as well. See, up till I think it will go up till 33 videos. Yes, there are 33 videos are there in this basic e-commerce admin panel. So that will work for all Laravel website. Okay, whether it is e-commerce, dating, business, blog, portfolio, event, personal, because all the see all the website require the basic admin panel in which the user can able to log in, the admin can able to log in. Okay, see, remember me functionality is also there. So once you will log in, you will get the basic structure of the admin panel. Okay, so here I'm going to show you, like you will get this, like you can able to access the dashboard. Okay, you can able to click on logout to log out from the admin panel. You can, the admin can able to update the password, admin can able to update its details along with the image as well. And we have done the CMS pages module as well, in which you can dynamically able to add as many pages from the admin panel that you can show at the front end as well. And along with that, we have done the sub admins feature, so that you can give the roles to the specific sub admin. You can able to add the sub admin and can give them the roles. Okay, see, you can able to add the sub admin, and after adding the sub admin, you can able to give them the access of different modules. Like if I am going to click on this log button, you can able to give the access of the CMS pages, view access, view edit access, full access. Okay, so like this, in this same way, you can able to upgrade this admin panel to whatever the feature you want to add. You can able to add it, because after that you are just required to do the copy paste, like we are doing right now. We are converting it to the e-commerce admin panel right now. We have done the e-commerce module. Okay, so see here, we have the view structure. See, view structure you have got from the CMS pages. Once you will get the view structure, you can copy that view structure, and you can able to copy to any of the module, like we have done for the categories module. So you can, if you are making the dating website, you can you can copy that for the friends module, like we have done the dating series as well, that you will get once you will join the membership. Okay, so that you can able to do it for any module. Like for the CMS pages, I have done the add CMS page. I have just got the form from the template, and just CC able to integrate it here. So you can just simply copy this one and you can use for any module. So it will be really helpful for you. So the basic admin panel is ready, that you can copy and can use for the other modules. So I have provided you all basic things in this admin panel. Okay, that you can able to use. So along with that, see, along with that, I will also provide you the ReactJs. That ReactJs complete basic e-commerce web app is available to download, in which you can log in, register. okay. And after register you can able to see all the see, I'm going to log in here, okay. I will show you that you can able to see all the products that you can able to purchase. Amit100@yahoo.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. You will also get its website. See, you can also check its website side by side, both will work in the same way, okay. See here its app as well as the website. In the apps in the website as well you can able to log in. See, this source code you will also get by becoming the member. Laravel 9 as well as the Laravel 10 source code, it will work in Laravel 10 as well, this multi-vendor e-commerce website. Hamid100@yahoo.com. So nowadays you are not only required to create the website, you are also required to create the app. So you will get the both the website as well as the app. I'm going to make it Amit200. I'm going to check with some other account, Amit200. So I'm going to check its table, okay. So here this I'm going to check its database, and I am going to check the users table from where I will get the password, from where I will also get so I cannot use some other account to login, like I can log in from here, and also I'm going to use the same login here, so that both will match and we'll see the same products at both ends. 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay. So here, see, I log in from here as well. I will go to the card link, and here I can see there are 2 products already added, and here also we can see the 2 products are already added. We can shop for these products, okay. We can either click here, proceed to checkout, and we can see, and we can also click here to proceed to checkout to see, okay. So like this we can able to, even you can add the more products if you want. You can click on shop and you can add the more products into your cart. Like I can select this one, I can select its size and can proceed further, okay. Then click on checkout. See, products successfully added in cart, and you can see now there are 3 products, and if you will go here you can see these 3 products as well. So at both ends you can see the same products, okay. Either you can add from here, or either you can add from here. So this complete source code you will get both website as well as the e-commerce that app, okay. So you can click on proceed to checkout at both ends, and we can able to place the order as well. Here you are just required to provide the delivery address and can place the order, okay. So here you will simply require to provide the delivery address and can place the order for this one. I will give my city, state, country, pin code. This is the basic version, so you will just see the basic things here, okay. So when we click on place order successfully placed, here you can see the thanks page has come up. Your order has been successfully placed, and you can check this order in the admin panel as well, okay. So you can open its admin panel and you will get the admin panel as well, and you can open this admin panel and can check this new order in the admin panel. While see, this complete admin panel you will also get that will work in Laravel 9 as well as the Laravel 10. We have upgraded our series to the Laravel 10 when the Laravel 10 was launched, okay. At that time we have upgraded. So here you can see the new order. So this is the order with the 3 of the products that we have got, okay. So you can simply check its order details, complete order details. These 3 orders we have placed, okay. So you can just simply do it like this to assess, okay. So now you can also generate its invoice as well. We will also provide the PDF invoice as well. If you want to get the PDF invoice, you can simply generate its PDF invoice. HTML invoice also you will get, sorry, see here I'm going to show you. See this one, and here you will able to get its HTML invoice. This is the HTML invoice, and this is the PDF invoice. PDF invoice you will also get this complete PDF invoice. You can able to see, okay. So you can see the order ID 73 with all these 3 products, okay. So this is the grand total 2920. So you able to get both e-commerce app as well as the website that will work in Laravel 9 as well as in Laravel 10 that you are required to install, and will work in any platform or Apache server. So so you will get the both, and I will help you to make it online as well, okay. So you can simply require to open the youtube.com stack developers. This is the channel youtube.com stack developers, and you can able to join it. Okay, there are memberships available for you, and you can able to see any of the membership. You can able to get like basic stack developer, premium stack developer, advanced stack developer, superior, genius, as per your own requirement. Everything is given there. Okay, complete instruction is given with every membership that you require as per your own choice. Okay, I recommend that you must get the advanced stack developer, in which you will get this ReactJs series, as well as the this basic e-commerce admin panel in Laravel 10. Okay, so if you have any query, you can surely contact me. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.